Hello, today we'll be looking at plant and animal cells. Plant and animal cells is normally covered in biology in Key Stage 3 and in Key Stage 4. Today we'll be looking at how to describe the structures and the functions in the plant and animal cells. By the end of this video, you should be able to name the organelles in plant and animal cells and describe their functions, as well as be able to compare and contrast them. On the slide, you will see both structures of animal and plant cell. Both structures have been clearly labeled here. And if you wanted to test yourself, you can look at the structures and memorize them for 60 seconds and then try to go and draw them on a different piece of paper. Afterwards, you have drawn yours, you can come and compare if you have got the structures correct. Let's look at the organelles that are found in the animal and plant cell. The nucleus is found in both cells and it carries the genetic material, the DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and the job of the nucleus is to control the activities in the cell. Can I just say, lots of students tend to write down that the nucleus is the brain of the cell. If you put that down, then you just don't get any marks. The real answer is it controls the activities of the cell. The second organelle that is found in both animal and plant cell is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a place where most chemical reactions take place, like respiration, for example. This is mainly made of water and has liquid in surroundings. Cell membrane is something again found in both animal and plant cells, and the job of the cell membrane is to provide surroundings to the cell and control all the substances that pass in and out of the cell, depending on the size. Again, mitochondria is something that's found both in animal and plant cell. Mitochondria is like the energy source for the cell. There are tiny cells in the cytoplasm, and the job is to provide energy. Energy is released from glucose from the food. Mitochondria is placed in itself in the cell cytoplasm, and that's where respiration also takes place. Ribosome is the next structure we're talking about. This organelle is also found in both animal and plant cell, and the job of the ribosome is to make protein in our cells. The protein is used for lots of different things in our bodies. Cell wall is a structure that is found in a plant cell but not in an animal cell. Cell wall is a tough outer layer structure for the plant cell. It's made out of cellulose, and its job is to provide strength and support to the plant so it can stay in one shape. A vacuole is another organelle that is only found in a plant cell and not in an animal cell. A vacuole is a space or a sap fill out of water in the cell, and its job is to keep the cell firm for the plant. The final structure that is different from animal cell and only found in plant cell is chloroplast. Chloroplast is responsible for the green part of the plant, which is in the leaf and stem, because it contains a pigment called chlorophyll. The job of the chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which the green plant make their own food. If you had enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.